Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Tuesday, May 6, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about a message that I received, or a comment I received on one of my YouTube videos this morning. And I'm just going to talk about that. But before I get started, if you've never seen any of my videos, I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 plus years. I've been working full-time for myself since 2018, and I am passionate about helping people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. All right, it's my true passion. I love it. I eat, sleep, and breathe it, okay? So this morning I had a comment on one of my YouTube videos, and the gentleman basically was saying that, you know, he mailed out 200 postcards and he hadn't received any money yet, and was asking me how long it took me before I received, you know, my first sale when I started mailing out postcards. So it prompted me to do this video because I know a lot of people, they give up on themselves before they even start. All right, they quit before they even start going. And to put things into perspective, you know, I know that it can be frustrating when you're first starting out because for some reason, everybody's looking for instant gratification nowadays. All right, it's just how it is. It's just how the world is, you know. People just want instant results, and that's just not how reality is, okay? I look at mailing out postcards like planting seeds. So each postcard, well, I mail out letters, okay? In fact, I got more stacks of them here today that are going out. I mail out letters, and I look at my mailings as seeds, right? So basically meaning that each time I mail out a letter, it's a seed that somebody's going to receive, and the more seeds that I send out, the more my business is going to grow. All right, it's kind of like the old saying, you know, 20 years ago was the best time to plant a tree, and the next best time is now. So I've had people reach out to me who have told me that they've had my information that they received for months sitting on their desk, and then they've come back and looked at it and they joined me in a program or two programs or all my programs. All right, so I look at, you know, my mailings as seeds that I'm planting, and over time those seeds are going to grow. So when somebody's saying I mailed out 200 postcards and I haven't received any money yet, listen, that's barely turning the soil. 200 postcards is nothing. All right, it's a good start, and if that's all you can afford to mail out, that's awesome. But what you have to do is you have to stay consistent and mail those out. So if you're only mailing out 200 postcards a month, every single month mail out 200 postcards and know that you're planting little seeds for your business. And stop expecting instant gratification. All right? The people who are persistent and consistent are the ones who separate themselves from the ones who make no money. All right, if you want to be great at something or the best at something, you have to stay consistent with whatever it is you're doing. Right? I'm going to be the greatest direct mail marketer in the world. That's my goal. That's my goal, to be the best direct mail marketer in the world. I don't compare my results to anybody else's. I don't ask people, you know, people who I know are making more money in direct mail than me. I don't ask them how many pieces of mail they're mailing out every month. I don't care about that. I'm focusing on my own journey. Okay? So you just got to understand that when you start this business, or if you're involved in this business, the main thing for you to focus on is staying consistent with your mailings. That's all that matters. All right? If you can only mail out 200 postcards a month, then just keep mailing out 200 postcards a month. And when you start making commissions, take some of that money, reinvest it back into your business, and double the amount of postcards you're mailing out. So now you're mailing out 400 postcards a month. And you just keep doing that, and you keep scaling your business over and over and over and over again. There's people in this industry who make 6 and 7 figures a year just mailing out postcards. Okay? And I teach you how I mail out letters with all my business opportunities. And since I've started doing that, I've tripled my income. All right? And my income continues to grow. So you just have to understand that you have to, mailing out whatever you can in the beginning is great, and just keep doing that. And that's all I can say. Just keep doing whatever it is you're doing. Don't worry about other people's results, okay? I post results to show people what's possible, all right? And like I said, there's people who get greater results than I have. But I just show you my results so that you know what's possible. It's not for you to compare your journey to my journey, because we're all on different journeys, right? But I want people to know that I'm not just talking the talk. I'm walking the walk. I'm showing up every day. I'm taking action. I'm staying consistent. And I'm doing what is necessary in order for me to grow my business, right? The results come to those who refuse to quit. But so many people, they'll go out and they'll mail out 100 postcards, 500 postcards, and they get upset because they don't have a sale right away, and they quit. And that's why, this whole world, this whole network marketing, MLM marketing, direct mail marketing, that's why it gets a bad rap, because 98% of the people, they never do anything. They don't even stay in the programs long enough to take the appropriate actions to make any money. So they quit, and then they complain that the programs don't work. There's nothing wrong with the programs. I don't join programs that don't work. The programs work absolutely 100% fine. It's you're the one not doing the work. And that's what you have to change. You have to change your mindset and understand that this is not any of the programs I'm a part of. They're not get rich overnight programs, right? These are programs that take time. They take consistency. You have to be persistent, and you have to understand that if you stay with it long enough, you'll start getting results. That's why I can't guarantee anybody any results, because it's based on your work ethic, and most people's work ethic are not good, right? They're not good. That's why such a small percent of people make money online or in direct mail, is because they don't put in the work. 98% of people do not put in the work. They want the new car, they want the bigger house, they want to go on, month-long vacations to wherever they want to go, but when it comes to putting in the work to get to being able to do that, they don't do it for some reason. And it befuddles me, to be honest with you. I don't understand it. But anybody can do it. I think when I first started mailing postcards, it took me about 5 weeks before I got a sale from one of my postcards. I didn't quit. I'm still doing it. And I can tell you that when I first started mailing out and to what I mail out now, the amount that I mail out is far greater, because I've taken commissions that I made, I reinvested it back into my business, and I continue to scale my businesses. All right? So if you need any help, I'm here to help you. You can reach out, ask me any questions. I do offer 60-minute phone consults, and I have a 30-day momentum program to help you get your business up and running, and to give you daily tasks that will keep you on track, so that in 30 days you develop a habit of what it takes to be successful in this industry. All right? It's not rocket science. It's just showing up every day, even when you feel like you don't want to, and putting in the work. That's it. That's all it is. So don't get discouraged. You have to believe in yourself, and you have to have faith in your journey. And that's what it's all about. It's what it's all about. So if you want any more information about the opportunities that I'm a part of, my coaching, my phone consults, you can go to joinruss.com right here. At the very minimum, go here and sign up for my newsletter. All right? I have a Mailbox Money Insider newsletter. I share tips, strategies, motivation. I show you exactly what I'm doing to build my Mailbox Money empire. All right? You can do the exact same thing. You just have to be willing to put in the work. Show up every day, take massive action, and stay consistent. That's what it's all about. All right? So continue mailing out your 200 postcards and continue to scale your business. All right? That's what it's all about. So, you just have to just stay consistent. That's the main thing. And just know that your time is coming. Right? Great things happen to those who put in the time. And that's all there is to it. All right? So I hope you found value in my video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.